How do you remove the vocals or any other individual track from an entire song? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video really simply and easily. So if you're in Logic Pro, this is really simple. So here's a track. So this is a cover of Kate Bush's Running Up That Hill, done by the band Andromeda Coast, my band. And so if I want to remove this, in Logic Pro, it's really simple. I'll just right click and do stem splitter, and then it will separate it out by vocals, drums, bass, guitar, piano, and other. And so I've already done that here to save time. And so we can see here's all the different tracks, and we can just mute these individually. So if we wanted to mute all these and just hear the vocals, then we have them. Now it's not perfect. You hear some artifacts.
You and me, and if I only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I get.
But not bad. I got the drums here. So it's great if you want to, like, you know, strip out something and replace it with something of your own for like a remix or making a cover song or something like that. So that's really cool. And then if you don't have Logic, a really great tool for this is Lander's Stem Splitter, and Lander's also the sponsor of this video. So if we look at their tool here, here's Lander's Stems. And so all we have to do is upload a track. So import the song here. And by the way, this is like not an insert plugin, but you actually load this up as the virtual instrument here inside of Logic or whatever DAW you have. And then we import the track, and now we just wait for it to analyze the audio and split it into stems. All right, so now we have the samples in here, so we can play it and preview them. You can solo different tracks. And that sounds really good. Honestly, this might actually be better than the Logic Stem Splitter. I feel like those drums are a lot clearer, less garbled.
Do you wanna know that it doesn't hurt me?
I think the vocals maybe are about the same.
The deal I'm making.
So it sounds really good. But again, obviously no stem splitter is going to be perfect, but that is really amazing that you can do that now. And then if we want to drag them in, we just click this and it will drag and drop in the stems. And now I've already done that for a different track down here. So the cool thing about this Lander Stem Splitter is you can really use it to completely remix old songs of yours, which I did here with this song that I'm currently working on. Now, speaking of making music, if you want to know how to make professional quality music from home, you need a step-by-step system for finishing songs so that they sound just like your favorite artists on Spotify. And to help you do that, I have a free mixing checklist you can grab in the description below, or go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/mixing checklist. And this walks you through step-by-step how to go about mixing your songs so they sound amazing each and every time. It also includes some really cool, handy cheat sheets in there for how to go about applying EQ, compression, and more. So definitely grab this for free in the description below. So this was a track where originally you had the bass, you had the drums, you had this other, and I split these using the Lander Stem Splitter, and this is what it sounded like. This is like a really old song I made back in like 2014 or something. I don't have the original project anymore. So if I wanted to, like, say, change out the bass, like I don't really like the bass, maybe the bass is like a little too weak or something. Or I wanted to make this more of a synthwave style song, a different genre. It's okay, but I can swap it out. So one thing I did was I came in here and actually just created MIDI from this. So I turned on flex pitch here, and then I went to edit and create MIDI track from flex pitch data. So that's really great now. So we can actually get the right notes here, and now they're in right there, and I can have this be the new bass. And these are the drums. They're okay, but if I want to switch them. So now I can have different drums and bass, and then I still can keep all the synths the same. And this never had vocals, so now I would add vocals to this song as well to finish the track. So it sounds really awesome. There's so many different uses that you can use this for. So if you ever need to split stems, I definitely recommend the Lander Stem Splitter plugin. And you can actually get 20% off Lander Stem Splitter when you use my code. Just go to orpheusaudioacademy.com/Lander. Also have that linked in the description below. And if you want to learn more about Lander Studio, just click my video on the screen right now, and that will take you to a video breaking down everything you get inside of the Lander Studio subscription, so you can know if it's something that's a good fit for you or not.